Today, we want to show you harvest from the crops that didn't do so well for us this spring. This is real gardening. It is easy to share the success, but the truth is every year is different and brings its own set of failures as well. For example, we had great potatoes last year, but not so much this spring. Accepting both sides of the coin keeps us humble. Important thing is to learn from what didn't work and how to make it work. Hope you enjoyed this reality. Towards the end, we will show some successful crops too. This video is pretty self-explanatory, so we will let you enjoy it and add our commentary only where necessary. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching.